Hi, can you help me to introduce yourself, please?
Hi, sir, ma'am. I'm Sally. I'm 38 years old. I'm single parent, but for kids, and I'm high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me about your work experiences?
Um, I'm taking care of 3 kids. I go market, grocery, cleaning the house, washing clothes, then bring kids down to their school bus.
Why you don't want to renew the contract with your current employer?
Mm, because I'm overload at my work, I don't have enough rest. Then I wash my own clothes and hand wash. They don't want me allowed to wash in the washing machine.
What is your preferred holiday?
Uh, I, I want my holiday is Sunday.
Are you willing to share work with other helpers?
I don't want. I want alone.
Are you willing to share room with other helpers or kids?
It's okay to me to share room with the kids.
Are you willing to take care of pets?
Yeah, I'm willing to take care of the pets.
What will you do if the kid has tantrums?
Uh, I will talk to him, play with him. Um, I will sing and dance for him to distract her emotion.
Okay. What will you do if the kid is sick?
I will check first her temperature and I call my boss, my employer, to tell them that the kids have sick.
What is your message to your new employer?
Hello, mom, sir. If you heard me, I will do all my best to take care of your family. Thank you.